Here we have limited resources, demonstration of our mobile credit card app, and we have 4 machines here as an example. Each machine has an ID, a unique ID that you see associated with each box. And then what we do is we're going to use our mobile app, which is here, and you can see all the IDs of the 4 boxes are listed. So you got 25, 48, 40 is one of the IDs. The box that we're going to be testing or demonstrating is 25, 44, 48, 40. And there we see it, the very top one, 25, 48, 40. And so what we can do is we can just select the box, and we select a time, so 60 minutes, and we get the price. There we go. So the price for 80 minutes is going to be $1, and our app works on both the iPhone and it works on the iPad, and we're going to demonstrate that now. As you can see here, it's the same iPhone iPad app that runs in both locations, and you can also see the IDs on the iPad. There we go. Here, the same thing, we can select and here we can see that we're going to select 25, 48, 40 at 120 minutes of time. We select get price. Price for that is $10. We can do that again. $10, and we notice it's from the iPad. So demonstrate that this is a 25, 84, 40. There is a light here. It's currently off, and just to simulate a device, people would have their device, a washer, gas dryer connected to it, lights, anything, massage chair, and here we go. So here we go. There is the pad, the iPhone app, and what we're going to do is there's a pay button. I'm covering my credit card with my thumb, and we just say pay. There we go. And as you see, the light is on and the timer is being incremented. To reflect the payment that we made using the mobile phone. And there you have your ID, 25, 48, 40, and then the device is on. And the beauty of the app is that you can pay, let's say, 20 minutes of time using your credit card, or you've decided you have a coin and you want to insert a coin. You can still add that at the same time as you're using a credit card. So, and I'll demonstrate that now. Here, press the button, see the coin, and you notice that it incremented the time, another 5 minutes. So you can mix and match. You don't have to just use credit card, and you just don't have to use just coins, which is a pretty convenient way to use the machine. So this is limited resources at limitedresources.us. Our phone number is 647-931-1829. That number again is limitedresources.us at 647-931-1829. Thank you.